What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today look like we might have smoke in the city, man. With CUZO or whatever, man. CUZO got some stuff going on or whatever, and we finna mess with the dragon and all that. And I got, first thing first though, I gotta take these axles by the machine shop to see what they can do. I hope we can hear some good news, so we finna do that first and foremost, cause I got to get that. That's top priority on my list. First thing I was thinking about when I woke up, I had boom, hopped up. I like, hey, we got to get this done. So we're gonna do that, and then from there we're gonna leave and head to go link up with CUZO and stuff, which make me think I need to get them packed. I need to get them packed. Oh, that's what I supposed to been bring. Knew something I was gonna forget. That make taking the wheels off a whole lot faster. Get the impact. 3/4 already on there. So yeah, man, that's the plan for today. Cause we need to get that guy right there off of them jack stands. We need to get that guy out the jack stand. So we're gonna be rolling in the F150 today. Hand drove it, and I told you I still don't drive this thing. Hand drove it in about a week, and still don't get moved. But we're gonna hop in this today. When you got all these cars, man, like you have to switch out. Like wife is driving the Monte Carlo today. You have to just switch out, and at some point in time, one or the other gonna sit a week. They just happen like that. Like that why I moved RnB, man. Cause I'm gonna drive RnB this week. Cause RnB be sitting. So I'm finna axles already in. Got in the back or whatever. So I'm finna roll out, y'all. And I turn y'all on when we get there. Then I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get to CUZO house. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So back over here at the machine shop, just talk to them about milling it down to match the stock axles, and they say they can do it. So man, we should be in luck, man. We can get that done. We're gonna be in the game. Then either way, I still told them, like, I'm gonna get the studs put in here. So we're gonna get the long stud put in the stock axle. Then, I mean, worst case scenario, we got 2 sets of axles or whatever. So I have a spare. Them should never break, but I have a spare set just in case. So yeah, we got going on. Catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking back in. Made over here to CUZO house. Y'all see it left the machine shop. I'm glad they said they can do it. So CUZO finna put the Jumpman shoes on here. See what it do. So y'all just stay tuned, and we're gonna see what we get into today. So we checking back in, y'all. Went to CUZO favorite play. Got him some. He got some, so I had to follow suit, man. I had to follow suit, y'all. He got some, so I went and got me some too. What'd they have?
What Renegade at, man?
What Renegade?
The true Renegade. Where he at?
Who you talking about, man?
Man, Renegade.
Who the true Renegade?
One with that ass, the Monte F7.
Oh, Twan.
Yo,
I don't know where he at, man. I don't know where. That's the real Renegade.
Hey, Twan, hit me up, man.
I know, man. Twan the real Renegade, y'all. Like, but man, we went and got some gas, man. Finna put these in CUZO car and make some shake. Old Michael Myers. Y'all see he got the Jumpmans on. Make something happen. He got his cologne he finna put in there. It's a good cologne, smell good. And gonna make something happen, man. We finna make something happen, so y'all know he gonna have that good content on his channel coming. Ain't no telling when he'll drop it. He might drop it next year, but ain't no telling. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Gonna check back in. See it? Smelling good out here too, y'all. Sounds so good, y'all. Alright, y'all see CUZO back. I made it back. From doing his business. So, alright, y'all, I just got back from CUZO house, man. Good day with him chilling, man, filming all that good stuff over there with Michael Miles, man. Y'all gotta check out his little video, man. He shot a nice little video. So, and I'm just getting back from doing the draggy runs with the F150. So I just got back from doing that, man. So the first, I'm gonna go ahead and throw them pads in here now, but I'm gonna tell y'all the first hit, I thought about like, man, what's going on? Traction controls on, so you know it bogged the engine down. Then the second run, I took traction control off. So I'm about to throw them in right now. So y'all saw those 2 runs, man. Just something to throw in the vlog, just something to mess around. The L150 is a no limit tank, boy. That thing slow. That thing a no limit tank, boy. Run 10 in the 1/8 of a mile. RnB will kill this truck. I said RnB will straight slaughter the L150, but we knew that anyway. But yeah, man, it's a good day. I ain't get the call back, so the axle's not ready. I hope they call me first thing in the morning, man. I was there like 30 minutes after they opened, man. I hope they call me first thing in the morning, cause we gotta get this thing back going. Cause I'm going to track this week, man. I'm taking Dolo to the track 2 days in a row. And Thursday when I go to Headhunters Dragway, I'm taking 2 cars. I ain't never took 2 cars in the same night. Well, 2 cars at a time, basically. I'm taking Dolo and I'm taking RnB. Cause RnB only went on the track 1 time. Y'all know that car ain't going on the track a lot. I'm keeping on the hard tires. Cause we already distinguished that the car run faster on the hard tire than it do the slick. It ain't got no power for no slick and even have a slick on it. So we taking RnB and Big Dolo. I'm gonna let Big Dolo eat. I will be taking the 26s off, obviously. I'm taking these off, so I'm gonna let Big Dolo eat. We're gonna be trying the slicks out at Headhunters, cause it's a slick prep track. So I'm gonna try the slicks out, and then we're gonna turn around, take the slicks off, and put the Radio Pros on for Middle Georgia Motorsport part. And y'all, all I can say is gonna be showtime. Y'all better get ready. That's all I can say. I promise you, it's gonna be showtime when you see that vlog there. I might wait till Monday to drop this vlog. I might not even drop it Saturday. I'm gonna wait till Monday when I leave from Middle Georgia Motorsport part with Big Dolo, cause I know y'all gonna see something. So. But Headhunters, I might go ahead and give y'all that. But yeah, I might show y'all something then too. But I might go ahead and give y'all that, man. Might not make y'all wait on that. But we take this thing Friday. I already know what they're gonna do. I know what they're gonna do. And I'm gonna say this. Engine reveal video coming soon on Big Dolo. I'm gonna pop the hood. Engine reveal video coming soon on this. End of the year, and I mean end of the year, December, end of November, somewhere up in there. I'm gonna reveal the ET. I reveal what it run on their car and all that. Then after that, I ain't dealing with no call outs unless I know what somebody run a car. People be doing that with me when I show what my cars do. You got the people around here, man, or ran away, they want to try to call me out on social media because they know what I do, or they think they know what my car do. I'm telling you, I've been doing this a long time, not green to it. But as promised, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all. Cause I don't kill, man. I'm gonna show y'all. This, at the end of the year, you getting everything. All the nosy people gonna get to tune in and everything then, man. And then I say that too, look, I was talking to my bro, my big bro, Mark, my big brother, you know, Old School Kings. He Old School Kings on YouTube. We always talk business, man. We both business owners. That's my big brother. We got the same birthday, everything. Y'all done seen him on channel. But we were talking about, man, and me and CUZO and stuff too. I was like, man, I be seeing comments, like I see it on the other folk video, and y'all gotta excuse my language, but like people want to downplay somebody for doing YouTube in the car game. Like they'll be like YouTube niggas or you a YouTuber. This like it's a bad thing. Like listen, man. If you not a smart businessman by now and you don't understand the value in turning your passion and dream into dollars or making these raggedy cars some assets, you crazy. You got it backwards. Why do y'all think? Why do people, I ain't gonna say y'all, cause it's not all y'all. It's some of these fools gonna watch, but why do people think celebrities are on social media? Why does Will Smith have a YouTube channel and is very active? One of the biggest actors there is. What about Kevin Hart? It's numerous others I can name. Come on, man. Be smart. I just be seeing it. I see it on the other car vloggers channel comments and stuff. I'm like, what? Is a person not validated because they do YouTube and they in the car game? You should want to make your cars assets and not liabilities. Do you know a liability is something that's taken out your household? An asset is something that's putting into your household. People say houses are assets. A house is not an asset if you're living in it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get somebody gonna come on there and try to debate me like Jay don't know what he talking about when Jay doing it and done did it like that time I was trying to tell people about crediting this guy. I work at a car lot. I this and that. That ain't true. He shouldn't have been working at the car lot. I just say that because it was true what I was saying. Same thing right here. If I take these cars to the track, right? When I was taking these cars to the track and I ain't had no YouTube channel or social media years ago, it was just a liability. I mean, I still do it. I love it. I ain't saying don't do what you don't love if it's a liability. I'm saying if you can make what you love into an asset, that's what you do. So now, and I don't mean taking a car to the track and gambling. I'm not talking about gambling. Cause gambling is gambling. I mean, it ain't an asset. Cause you know I deal with a lot of grudge race. Gambling is gambling. You go to the track, you can get your ass whooped. Like your motor can blow up. You can spin the tires. I done seen it happen. And I got a video coming on that too. That's not an asset. I'm talking when you can go to the track, make some laps by yourself, and it's guaranteed to be an asset. That's what I'm saying. This not me coming on bragging. This just, I get tired. I hate seeing that, man. I hate seeing that with people on social media in the car game, and people try to make it like they ain't official because they do YouTube. That's the craziest junk I ever heard, man. Like, make your car an asset. Now, you can get mad at what I'm saying, or you can respect the game and understand it's a young black brother trying to give you some valuable information or some stuff that he really know. You can take it from a successful businessman. This ain't my only business, a successful businessman. You can take it from a successful internet marketer, a successful network marketer that's made a substantial amount of money online, not even dealing with videos. So I'm just telling people, listen, man, I come on here and I say that I come on here, I play ignorant sometimes. I play ignorant with the cars No matter how good my acting is, it's great. It's very great, I promise you. I play ignorant. I go at it with people in the comments about something I said, do it this way or don't do it that way. But I'm telling you, I'm a highly intelligent black man, and I know what I'm talking about. Otherwise, my operation wouldn't be like this. And this just metal. But I'm just saying, that's like you're doing something right. And I'm just showing it because they're my passion. I love cars, this and that. I love people. I love giving to people. I'm not in their position for no reason. So take it from me, man. If it's a way you can turn what you love to do into an asset, that's what you do, man. Don't let nobody make you feel otherwise. So that's it for today's video, y'all. We got a lot of action coming. We're gonna be turning some wrenches on wifey car because we still got this power right here. We gotta knock this power down some more. The weather been great. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in Dolo. I ain't finna cap y'all. I think I'm gonna throw that bad boy in Dolo because it needed. That bad boy making some steam. I'm scared when I hit that crack, the transmission might say, No, not the first time, but I just know what me and DJ built this transmission for. Showtime. I know what horsepower rating we built this thing for, and that bad boy makes some steam now, man, since it's just all the way ready. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.